In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link tables in Airtable. If you want to connect related information across different tables and keep your base more organized, this is a very useful feature to learn. Linking tables allows you to associate records instead of copying the same information over and over again. That makes your Airtable setup cleaner, easier to manage, and much more flexible when your data starts to grow. To begin, open the table where you want to create the connection. This is the table that will contain the new linked field. Before you make any changes, it helps to quickly think about which table should hold the link and what kind of relationship you want to create. That way, the structure makes sense from the start. Once you're in the correct table, add a new field by clicking the plus button. This creates a fresh column where the link will live. When Airtable asks you to choose a field type, select the option called Link to Another Record. This is the setting that turns a regular field into a relationship between tables. Next, choose the table you want to link to. Airtable will show you the available tables in your base, and you'll simply select the one that contains the related records you want to connect. This step is important because it defines where the linked information will come from. After that, start selecting the records you want to connect from the other table. Depending on your setup, you may be linking one record or several. As you choose those related records, Airtable creates the relationship automatically. This is what makes linked records so powerful. The connection is stored directly between the tables, which helps keep everything consistent. If you want to show extra information from the linked table without opening each record, you can add a lookup field. A lookup field pulls in selected values from the linked table and displays them in your current table. This is especially helpful when you want quick visibility into details like status, category, or other reference information while still keeping the original data in one place. Finally, review the records to make sure the link is working correctly. Check that the related entries appear as expected and confirm that both tables are now connected. In many cases, Airtable will reflect the relationship on both sides automatically, which helps you verify that everything is set up properly. And that's how to link tables in Airtable. Once you get comfortable with this process, building more connected and efficient bases becomes much easier.